Find an overview of the roles and responsibilities of various positions aboard a cruise ship, including pertinent information about HACCP, MSDS, USPH, their culinary functionalities, and relevant tools and equipment. First cook pastry role. Manages the pastry section of the galley, produces desserts, pastries, and baked goods. Knowledge of HACCP, hazard analysis, critical control point, ensures food safety standards are maintained in dessert production. MSDS, material safety data sheets, provides safety information on baking supplies. USPH, United States Public Health, guidelines apply to food handling and sanitation. Equipment, mixers, ovens, pastry molds, and decorating tools. Products, various sauces like chocolate sauce, and spices like vanilla extract. Entertainment stage staff. Role, runs and manages entertainment activities and events. Knowledge of, requires general knowledge of HACCP and USPH for food service at entertainment events. Equipment, sound systems, lighting, staging equipment, and safety materials. First cook bakery role. Oversees the production of bread and bakery items. Knowledge of HACCP for baking, MSDS for flour and other ingredients, USPH for safety. Equipment, dough mixers, proofers, and ovens. Products, artisan breads, sourdough, and yeasts. Technical stage staff role. Manages technical aspects of stage productions. Knowledge of safety protocols in food service, general health standards. Equipment, lighting and soundboards, technical rigging tools. First cook butcher role. Prepares and processes meats for various meals. Knowledge of HACCP in meat handling, MSDS for cutting tools, USPH for sanitation. Equipment, meat slicers, knives and bandsaws. Products, different cuts of meat and marinades. Aquatic stage staff. Role, manages pool and aquatic-based entertainment. Knowledge of water safety and food service safety regulations. Equipment, lifeguard equipment, pool maintenance tools. Second cook role, assists in food preparation and kitchen management. Knowledge of basic HACCP, MSDS, USPH guidelines. Equipment, general cooking utensils, pots, and pans. Products, ingredients across various dishes and sauces. Youth staff role, engages with children and provides recreational activities. Knowledge of safety in food service during children's programming. Equipment, play equipment and educational tools. Youth counselor role, oversees activities and ensures the safety and well-being of kids. Knowledge of, same as above. Equipment, games and activity materials. Chef de partie, CDP role. In charge of a specific station in the kitchen. Knowledge of HACCP, ASDS, USPH. Equipment, station-specific tools, e.g., grill, sauté pans. Products, various dishes based on the station operated. Second officer role, assists with ship operations and safety management. Knowledge of safety protocols related to food and hygiene. Equipment, navigation and safety equipment, general ship procedures. CDP baker. Role, specialized in baking duties in the kitchen. Knowledge of HACCP, MDS, USPH. Equipment, baking ovens, mixers. Products, cakes, breads, pastries. Third officer role, assists in the operations of the ship and safety. Knowledge of basic safety in food management. Equipment, navigation tools. CDP. Pantry role, manages the pantry items and food storage. Knowledge of HACCP for food storage. ATCs. MSDS for storage items. NETCs. USPH for hygiene, equipment, storage racks, refrigeration units. Products, non-perishable goods, condiments. Asked waitress, female only. Role, Assists in serving guests in dining areas. Knowledge of customer service, food safety regulations. Equipment, serving trays, utensils. Products, various items from the menu. CDP garde-manger role, prepares cold dishes and salads. Knowledge of HACCP for cold food storage, MSDS for ingredients, USPH. Equipment, cold prep tables, slicers, and blenders. Products, salads, cold cuts, sauces. Guest services officer role, manages guest relations and services. Knowledge of general food and beverage service safety. Equipment, computers, guest interaction tools. CDP galley role, manages a section of the galley, oversees food preparation. Knowledge of HACCP, MSDS, USPH. Equipment, general kitchen equipment. Products, various menu items. CDP, buffet role, manages buffet preparation and service. Knowledge of HACCP for buffet setups, MSDS for food items, USPH. Equipment, buffet trays, warming units. Products, sauces, dishes for buffet service. Bar server, bar attendant. Role, serves drinks at bars and lounges. Knowledge of alcohol handling regulations, customer service. Equipment, mixers, glassware, shakers. Products, cocktails, non-alcoholic beverages. CDP, patissier role, specializes in creating desserts and pastries. Knowledge of, same as first cook pastry. Equipment, specialty baking tools. Products, gourmet desserts. Restaurant attendant. Role, assists in servicing restaurant areas. Knowledge of food safety standards and service etiquette. Equipment, service carts, utensils. Products, varied menu offerings. AST refrigeration engineer role, maintains refrigeration systems on board. Knowledge of safe handling of refrigerants as per MSDS. Equipment, refrigeration units, gauges. Demi-chef de partie, DCDP. Role, assists CDPs in food preparation. Knowledge of basic food safety, HACCP. Equipment, general kitchen tools. Products, ingredients across dishes. Technical storekeeper role, manages equipment stock and supplies. Knowledge of MSDS for technical supplies, safety gear. Equipment, inventory systems. Products, technical parts. Pastry cook role, prepares desserts and sweet items. Knowledge of same as first cook pastry. Equipment, baking tools, ovens. Products, pastries, sweets. Incinerator. Operator role, manages waste disposal systems. Knowledge of waste management procedures, safety protocols. Equipment, incinerator units, safety gear. Sous chef role, assistant to the head chef, oversees food preparation. Knowledge of advanced HACCP principles, food safety, USPH. Equipment, all kitchen tools and equipment. Products, multiple types of dishes. Incinerator technician role, maintains waste management systems on board. Knowledge of similar to that of the incinerator operator. Equipment, technical maintenance tools. Teppanyaki chef role, specializes in Japanese teppanyaki-style cooking. Knowledge of food safety for raw ingredients. Equipment, teppan grill, knives. Products, Asian sauces, meats, vegetables. AST repairman. Aqua role, maintains pool and water features. Knowledge of safety measures in aquatic environments. Equipment, pool maintenance tools. Buffet junior sous chef role, assists in managing buffet preparations. Knowledge of same as CDP buffet. Equipment, buffet setups. Products, buffet dishes. AST repairman, hotel role, helps in general repairs around the ship. Knowledge of safety protocols. Equipment, hand tools and maintenance gear. Galley junior sous chef role, assist in galley operations. Knowledge of same as chef de partie. Equipment, various kitchen tools. Products, multiple menu items. Laundry technician role. Manages laundry operations on board. Knowledge of MSDS for cleaning agents. Equipment, washing and drying machines. Products, laundry supplies, pastry junior sous chef. Role, assists in managing dessert preparation. Knowledge of same as CDP pâtissier. Equipment, baking tools. Products, pastries and desserts. Upholsterer role, maintains and repairs furniture. Knowledge of NA and food safety, but requires safety knowledge for repairs. Equipment, upholstery tools. Products, textiles and materials. Commis role, junior cook assisting in various aspects of food prep. Knowledge of basic food safety and hygiene. Equipment, basic kitchen utensils. Products, ingredients and components of dishes. Varnisher role, applies finishes to woodwork and furniture. Knowledge of safety with chemical finishes, MSDS. Equipment, brushes, sprayers. Products, wood finishes and varnishes. Staff. A cook role, entry-level cook assisting with food preparation. Knowledge of basic HACCP, SDS. Equipment, basic kitchen tools. Products, ingredients for various dishes. AST carpenter role, assists in structural repairs and maintenance on board. Knowledge of safety protocols for carpentry. Equipment, carpentry tools. Products, wood materials. Horticulturalist role, manages onboard gardens and plants. Knowledge of safe handling of gardening chemicals, MSDS. Equipment, gardening tools. Products, plants, herbs. Galley steward role, assists in keeping the galley clean and organized. Knowledge of USPH standards for sanitation. Equipment, cleaning supplies and tools. Storekeeper role, manages inventory and supplies. Knowledge of MSDS and inventory control. Equipment, inventory management systems. Products, food and non-food supplies. Summary. Each role aboard a cruise ship has specific tasks relating to food safety, equipment handling, and culinary duties, all while complying with regulations like HACCP, MSDS, and USPH. Proficiency in the culinary arts, knowledge of food safety standards, and proper handling of tools and ingredients are essential across these diverse positions, contributing to a safe and enjoyable experience for all passengers. On a cruise ship, a vibrant tapestry of roles weaves together the experience of life at sea. The captain steers the vessel, ensuring safety and navigation, while the crew members, from chefs crafting gourmet meals to entertainers dazzling guests with nightly shows, contribute to the ship's lively atmosphere. Housekeepers maintain pristine cabins, and activity coordinators organize games and excursions. Each worker interacts with passengers, sharing stories and creating memories, all while embracing the breathtaking ocean views and the camaraderie of life aboard. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tim's Trending Hub, to get more videos.